Hello everyone, this is Victory. The closed type T profile with welding the machine is completely, and we are going to review the line. This is the T-shape profile, and on top of the surface is welded by argon welding. It's TIG welding. Let's check the welding seam. And it's cutted by this kind of the saw cutting. This is the completely line. It's finished painting, and we are going to dispatch to customer side by tomorrow. And this is the argon welder. We loaded the welding gun here, and it's driven by gas with casting pillar roller stand. Review the line. It has combined the 28 rolling stations into the line, and it's produced the T profile with argon welding, TIG welding. This is the completely line. Machine body structure. The motor power is 15 kW. And in between the horizontal roller or the forming roller, we have some vertical roller to assist the shape. This is checking cutting die, cutting saw. And here is the forming shape with welding. You may check the welding seam. And the line is under welding. Later I will show you the welding unit. Here is the welding seam and the forming shape with civil tracking cutting unit. My engineering just checking with me, the machine is coupled with pneumatic stacker, yes or not. I told him yes, we have the pneumatic stacker. It's going to cut.好，让我看一下那个切割的那个。Let's check the cutting quality. Let's check the cutting place. It's very flat, no scratch. And here's the welding seam. And the surface is flat. The surface is flat. And here's the forming shape with the cutting quality. It's also flat. Now we are going to have the secondary workpiece, but I'm going to show you the line, how it works. Here is the Turkish head, and here we put the welding gun. Here's the welding gun. This is the welder. And here we have some cooling system. We will put the cooling system and it may recycle in the machine system. You check the welding quality. I put the camera exactly behind the welding. So here's the welding. Here's the welding gun. Now we're going to show you the forming machine. Here's the welder, Argon welder. Here's the forming shape, forming steps. This is completely line. The motor. We have calculated the speed with welding and with cutting. And now we cut the workpiece into 2 meter lengths. The working speed is around 1 meter per minute. This is the completely line for your T profile. The input width is 195. The testing material is cold roll at 1.8 millimeter thickness. Here is the side roller with vertical roller, forming roller, and here is going to clamp. This is the place where we put the welder. And here, before clamping, the roller will make the gap more closer. And exactly here, we have loaded the welding gun. Here is cooling water. This is after welding Turkish head. And here is the tracking cutting die, cutting saw. It's a pneumatic system. The cooling water will be recycled in the machine system.哦，待会儿弯直的话，待会儿你给我拿一下就可以看到弯直了嘛。等这个结束。这个的话，待会儿我拍个镜头，就是近一点的镜头，给他看一下切是怎么切的。后面没什么问题。嗯。类似于像窗户上面用的，它反正是。This is another workpiece coming. Let's check the straightness of the workpiece. 要不停机吧？停掉。I asked to stop the machine. Let's check the straightness of the workpiece. Welding seam. Once we put the two workpieces together, let's check the gap. No gap. There. So this is two workpieces. Once we put it together, no gap, which means by 2 meter length, it's totally straight. And here's the forming shape. and the welding seam and the cutting quality. No scratch. It's very flat. Here is very flat. Okay, this is what we did in the workshop today, and I do believe the machine is qualified for dispatch. Keep you informed.